Okay, let's do the lowest structure for CO3. We're going to start by putting carbon in the center, putting our 3 oxygens around it. We have 4 valence electrons coming from the carbon, and our 3 oxygens are each bringing 6. Plus, we have an additional 2 electrons from the charge. This is going to give us a total of, doing math, 24 valence electrons. I'm going to connect everything to the center. I'm going to complete the octets of everything on the outside. I'm going to count how many electrons I've drawn. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. I don't have any extra electrons. I look at my center atom and it only has 6. So I need to move only one of the pairs of electrons to make it have a double bond so that the carbon will have 8. But which oxygen am I going to do it from? When you only need to move one pair and you have multiple options that are equal, they're all the same, you actually have to show it being represented for all of the options. So I'm going to show one where this oxygen donated a pair, one where this oxygen donated a pair, and one where this oxygen donated a pair. So I'm going to draw one with the double bond here, and these are still just a single bond. And because it has a -2 charge, I'm going to put it in brackets with a -2. I'm going to draw another one where the double bond is here. I took up too much space in that first one, so I'm going to write smaller here. And it also has that. And then I'm going to draw a third one because I had 3 oxygen options here where the last oxygen has the double bond. And I'm going to put brackets around it. I kind of cut off my lone pair there. And then you put a double arrow between each of these. And it's actually fluctuating between all 3 of the options. Resonance it's actually showing that all of the options are happening. Sometimes we're not doing this for this class, but it illustrates a point. Sometimes you can draw this when you're not drawing lone pairs. This is why you can do this with dashed lines to show that that one's moving. And then the dashed lines here would be 1/3 of a bond. So we would say each of these has 1 and 1/3 bonds because that one is moving between 3 of them. Okay, in organic chemistry, we do this a lot more than in this class. In this class, we're going to write out all 3 structures.